Take a 360-degree look at how Komatsu are utilising driverless technology in Australia's mining industry. Via a control room located 1,500 kilometres away, Komatsu trucks are sent commands from the operations team that will determine each truck's duties for the day. These trucks use vehicle controllers, a high-precision GPS system, an obstacle detection system, and a wireless network system to navigate. Trucks are able to drive between loading and dumping locations without requiring any human input. Automated trucks can be easily used in conjunction with manned vehicles for loading and dumping. Komatsu's autonomous haulage system delivers huge benefits to customers. AHS reduces the number of drivers working in hostile and remote conditions. The driverless trucks increase safety on mine sites. Komatsu AHS trucks also reduced operating costs and increased efficiencies on work sites.